Artificial intelligence, the global revolution from ChatGPT to the future of humanity. The world has entered a new era. An age where human creativity, thought, and knowledge are no longer confined to the human brain alone, but have expanded into the limitless realm of artificial intelligence. Every day, millions of people search for ChatGPT login, because now, it's not just humans, AI has become our new partner. This is the revolution that has reshaped the foundations of education, journalism, business, science, and creativity. In 2022, when OpenAI introduced ChatGPT, the world witnessed a tool unlike anything before, a system that didn't just answer questions but conversed like a human being. ChatGPT is a language model trained on billions of sentences, books, and data points. It can think, write, understand, and create with remarkable human-like intelligence. Today, it serves as a research partner for students, an assistant for entrepreneurs, and an idea generator for YouTubers, writers, and journalists. Millions of people use ChatGPT daily to create scripts, blogs, emails, software codes, and business plans, and the most fascinating part, it's free to use. With just a simple login, you gain access to a digital brain that's always ready to work alongside you. After ChatGPT, artificial intelligence expanded its power through countless innovative tools. The world is now transforming into a complete AI ecosystem. Canva Magic Studio revolutionized the world of design, where anyone can create professional posters, videos, or logos simply by typing a few words. ElevenLabs transformed the voice-over industry, producing natural, human-like voices now heard in films, documentaries, and YouTube videos. Runway ML and ElevenLabs have automated the art of video editing. Just make a cinematic video of space exploration, and a stunning video is generated within moments. I took productivity to new heights, organizing notes, calendars, and ideas within one intelligent system. Midjourney and Leonardo I turn imagination into reality, creating breathtaking images that were once only dreams. Together, these tools are building a new digital world, where thought becomes command, and machines bring imagination to life. Artificial intelligence is no longer just technology, it is a global revolution. In the United States, schools are adopting AI-based personalized learning systems, where every student receives a customized education designed for their unique abilities. Across Europe, medical research centers are using AI data to develop new medicines and genetic treatments. In China, robots work alongside humans in factories and hospitals. In the Middle East, AI-based journalism is rising rapidly, where news, analysis, and even videos are generated by artificial intelligence. Education, healthcare, agriculture, business, and research. Every field is advancing at lightning speed because of AI. The US, China, Germany, and South Korea have already established AI universities, and world-class institutions like MIT, Stanford, Tsinghua, Oxford, and Seoul AI Institute are shaping the minds that will define the future. Today, a massive portion of the global economy runs on artificial intelligence. It has given humanity a level of speed, precision, and power that was once thought to be impossible, but every revolution comes with its risks. AI is as powerful as it is fragile. The danger lies in one possibility, that it may one day grow beyond human control. Experts warn that if we use AI responsibly, it could become humanity's greatest strength. But if used recklessly, it might become the very force that turns against us. The challenges are real: job loss, data privacy threats, misinformation, deepfakes, and cyber manipulation. That's why the United Nations, European Union, and G7 nations are developing AI ethics, regulations, and safety frameworks to ensure this technology remains a benefit to humanity, not a threat. One thing about the future is certain: AI is not separate from humans, it is connected to us. Artificial intelligence exists to enhance human thought, not to replace it. It can make us more creative, more organized, and more aware, but the final choice will always remain in our hands. If guided wisely, AI will become the greatest gift of the coming century. If not, It could become the most powerful force we fail to understand. Artificial intelligence is not just an invention. It is the beginning of a new civilization, a chapter being written by the collaboration of man and machine. And ChatGPT is the first ambassador of this new world. This journey is far from over. In fact, it has only just begun. If you want to learn how AI tools can transform your life, career, and business, make sure to like, subscribe, and join our next episode. Top AI tools for 2025, and how to use them professionally.